Well, hey, my name is Douglas. Appreciate you checking out the channel. Please subscribe. And behind me is a 91 Nissan pickup truck. Getting ready to crawl underneath and do like a video diagram of it before we even get started on this thing. That way when we put it back together, hopefully we'll know what hell. And first of all, we are not mechanics. We do not get paid for this, but cost-wise, I'll get, like, for instance, a repair kit is about $74 on eBay compared to AutoZone. O'Reilly was $115. I figure if you took it to a mechanic, it's going to cost you a $500 bill at least. So I am not a mechanic. We are not mechanics, but this is what we're going to do. So you figure on the Nissan, first thing you're going to do is crawl underneath. So you got to look at all the elements. Okay, first of all, we got to figure out how to get rid of this thing. You know, it is bolted in. I was thinking these things come off.
I tried to unscrew them, they didn't unscrew.
Oh shit. You know, you'll have to.
Oh, there it goes.
It does unscrew good. Okay, down here you'll find your bolts. So we're thinking that these will come off, and then you take this whole plastic thing off there, unbolt it, and then do, hopefully that's how. So we're gonna now go underneath. Let's go underneath. Oh, fun times. Oh, yeah.
We're getting too old for this.
Yeah, getting too old for this. First of all, we got this thing jacked up. It's on blocks. It ain't going nowhere.
No.
And this is going to look like a sort of pain in the butt. Oh my God. Okay. Starting out, you got Driveshaft. So Driveshaft, of course, that's going to have to be dropped. And that won't be too bad. You got 4 bolts there. Got a cross member here. Folds into this. We have a leak here, which probably means the rear main seal is bad. It looks like a brake line. That ain't good, because we'll probably have to drop this.
And this is the one that's welded.
That's welded.
On the side, you see it?
Yeah, well, we ain't going to be dropping that, are we?
It's welded on this side, too.
Shoot.
And on both of these.
Alright, so you got to have a plan. That means we're going to have to pull this drive shaft here first. And then, yeah, we're going to have to slide it back and drop it down. Let's get under here.
Yeah, look at that.
How you like that? All that oil. Which probably means the front head rush. Front main seal is bad. You got some hose right up here. So that's going to have to be hooked back up. And you know, that's what I saw on these videos. You got some wire here, which probably comes up. You got another wire right there. So right here you got some type of, so we might be able to unhook that and just drop the whole freaking mess. Alright, so this is a thing called a cross member coming across here, which that looks like that's going to come out. You got, this is basically, this is called a slid plate. Flip here like that. There you go. And so that's going to have to come out. You got up here, that actually hooks onto your 4x4. So these might have to get, well, you got bolts again. Which is really damn good, because I was trying to figure out how to pull these, but we won't. We'll just take these off.
Yep.
Hell yeah, I ain't do that. I like the rust down there. We might have to
Love it.
Yeah, we might have to like sand it out and slap a little paint on it. You got a muffler. You got your rear. So this part right here is called the transfer case. Okay, so all we're going to do is just unbolt it right here and leave this attached to the transmission. You got some weird crap down in here too. Well, that will all go, that will stay connected. Ain't no biggie. So you got probably a bolt down in here holding this part up right here. And basically it boils down to what we're trying to get into is this right up here. And probably right in here is will be your throwout bearing and all that.
I just noticed something.
What's that?
This does got bolts right here.
Oh.
That hooks to this part.
Oh, okay. So
yep, and that drops down.
Yeah. But you got the sway bar.
Ooh. That runs all the way
that
back.
runs all the way up front. Yeah, so...
We might leave that on there.
Yeah.
We'll stick with the first plan.
Yeah. Oh, what the hell's this? Oh.
That's just to hold the transmission front.
Okay, well, the transmission ain't hooked to it. So I think, that's to hold the, what the hell is this thing part called? Like I said, we are not mechanics.
We just call them thingamajigs.
Thingamajigger, that's the thingamajigger. Yeah, that's how we talk down here in Arkansas. Yeah, that ain't going nowhere.
No, them blocks are stuck.
Okay. Interesting. Right here is basically that's where your throwout bearing's gonna be, I think.
Yeah. So yeah. Fun project.
Okay, yeah. So yeah, this is going to be a fun project. Main thing is right in here we'll probably like take this off. Unhook a lot of crap up in here. So, well, that's your floor shifter up in there. You got them bolts, I can see them down here. So, and I think that once we get them bolts out of there, which we might have to cut the carpet, don't know yet. No, I don't think so. I think we can get that rubber boot out of there.
Yeah.
Then get this thing dropped off. And there's like the little up in there. Let's see what that is. Not too bad. Not too bad. I don't think this is going to be that bad.
Not as bad.
This is right here. You know, they talk about changing your whatever that thing is called now. I done lost the name of it. Don't you? That's like one of them brain freezes. You know, what the hell? But yeah, that's where you change the fluid on it. Of course, transmission. Alright. So as you can tell,
we're gonna have fun.
Yeah, we're gonna have fun. Okay, here we go. Alright. I'm getting too old for this shit. Excuse the French. I don't know why I say that, you know. Alright, well, we do have heat going. So stay tuned for our next video. What's interesting is these things are shot on a little, believe it or not, I got to give credit when credit due. This is a Kodak Sure Shot. And I think this is number 63 video. So please stay tuned. And it might come in little increments like part 1, part 2, and all that kind of fun stuff. So until, and I've got a $700 camera, believe it or not. We'll start working on that too and try to get them all synchronized. Please subscribe.